find the value of x in the equation below. 0.6x minus 3 equals 15. The way that we do this is we isolate x by performing the same operation to both sides. So I'm trying to get x all alone. That means isolated. I'm going to start by just moving this 3 over to the other side. The reason I could do this is negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. And 0 has no value. So really that's saying 0.6x equals 15 plus 3, or 18. Next I'm going to get x all alone. The way I'm going to do this is to divide both sides by 0.6. 0.6 divided by 0.6 is equal to itself, or 1 rather, is equal to 1, leaving us with just 1x, or x. So we got x all alone. Now all we have to do is solve 18 divided by 0.6, and when I do that, I could show my work over here. I'm going to go ahead and move the decimal over, add a 0. I get a total of 30 for the correct value of x.